Hey guys, this is your favorite channel DIY Gardening Tips, and today I'm going to give you unique ideas of cheap gardening fountains. So let's start. If you're looking for a fun and unique way to spruce up your home or office, why not try a DIY fountain? There are tons of great ideas out there, and with a little creativity, you can easily create a one of a kind piece that will be the top of any room. One popular option is to repurpose an old vase or jar in a fountain. Simply fill it with water, add some rocks or pebbles for decoration, and plug it in. You will have your very own tabletop fountains that's sure to impress guests. Another great idea is to use an unused pot as a base for your fountain. Again, simply fill it with water and add some rocks or other decorations. If you want, you can even drill a hole in the bottom of the pot so that the water flows out more slowly. This would make an excellent addition to any patio or deck area. Of course, if you're feeling really creative, you could always build your own fountain from scratch. This might take some time and effort, but results would be truly amazing. Just imagine how proud you will be when friends and family see your handiwork on display. How do you make a simple fountain at home? If you're looking for a simple and elegant way to spruce up your home, a fountain is a great option. Plus, fountains are relatively easy to make yourself with some basic supplies from your local hardware store. In this video, we will show you how to make a simple fountain for your home in just a few easy steps. First, choose the location for your fountain. It's important to consider both the size of the space and the sun exposure when picking a spot. Once you have decided on the perfect location, it is time to gather your supplies. For this project, you will need a large plastic or ceramic pot, a small submersible pump, a length of tubing, rocks or pebbles. Start by placing your pot upside down on a flat surface. Then use a drill to create two holes in the bottom of the pot, one for the tubing and one for the cord of the pump. Next, insert the tubing through one of the holes and attach it to the pump according to its instructions. Your beautiful fountain is ready. A waterfall can be a beautiful addition to any home, and they are surprisingly easy to make. Just few supplies and some basic DIY skills, you can create your own stunning waterfall fountain. Here, what you will need: a large container or a planter, a small submersible pump, pebbles or gravels, rock or logs, aquarium silicone, sealant. Start by drilling a hole in the bottom of your container. The size of the hole will depend on the size of your pump, so be sure to check the manufacturer's instructions. Next, add gravel or pebbles to the bottom of the container, and this will help keep your pump in place and prevent it from getting clogged with debris. If desired, you can also add rocks or logs for decoration. Now it's time to install the pump. First, attach the tubing to the outlet of the pump, then thread the tubing through the hole in the bottom of your container. Once everything is in place, fill your container with water and plug in the pump. The water will start flowing immediately. You may need to adjust the flow rate by turning the knob on the side of the pump. To finish things off, use aquarium silicone sealant to seal around where the tubing enters exits your container. This will help prevent leaks and keep everything secure for years to come. Enjoy your new waterfall fountain. Now, how to build a rock water fountain. Assuming you would like to step-by-step guide on how to build a rock water fountain, here are the materials and instructions you will need. Materials you will need are a large container or barrel, a small container that can fit inside the large one, rocks, sand, water pump with tubing, pebbles. Instructions. Number one, choose a location for your fountain. It should be close to an electrical outlet so you can easily plug in your water pump. If you're using a large barrel, otherwise find a level spot for it in your yard. Number two, drill holes in the bottom of your large container for drainage. Then fill it with sand until it's about halfway full. This will help stabilize your rocks when you add them later. Number 3. Next, set your smaller container inside the larger one. Make sure it's centered and there's plenty of space all around it. This is where the water will flow down from. And so choose a nice looking bowl or pot that complements your rock well. Number 4. Now begin adding rocks to the outside of the small container, working your way up evenly on all sides until the entire thing is surrounded. Be sure to pack them tightly together so they do not fall over later when water is added. Number 5. Once all of the rocks are in place, start filling in any gaps with sand until everything looks smooth and even. Number 7. Now comes the fun part. Connect one end of your tubing to the water pump according to the manufacturer instructions, and then fill up the small bowl with fresh water. Once everything's plugged in and turned on, watch as your very own rock waterfall comes to life. So this is all about the today's video. Subscribe us for more ideas and keep watching us.